Hello?
Hello, friend. How you been? What you been up to?
I'm great. Did I tell you I'm fostering a new dog? He's the biggest thing you ever saw, but he's a total teddy bear.
No, but wow, what made you decide to foster a dog?
I don't know. Just felt like something was missing in my life, or someone.
Well, I think you're a really nice person for doing that. Poor little guy. I think you've got some great karma coming to you.
I hope so. But it feels really good to take care of him. I mean, he really needs someone to take care of him. Don't you, you big dummy.
Okay. Well, I've got to go. Wait. What was the name of that place that we're going to brunch tomorrow? Wait a minute. The answer will come to me.
Harmony House.
Oh, damn you.
Well, I gotta go feed my cool new dog. Cool dog. That's what I'll name him.
You go do that. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye-bye. Cool dog.
Hey, holy... Wow! That is a huge dog.
I know, right? Isn't he amazing?
I guess. So if you still have him, things must be going well.
Yeah, still together, going strong. What do you think's good on the menu?
Christ almighty, what happened to your thumb?
It was my fault. I left it hanging in the food bowl when I set it down. It was stupid of me. I have to admit, he's got a really strong bite though, right?
Yes, you do. I know you do. Yes, you do.
And I love that he's a total badass. I mean, he just like clamped down and he wouldn't let go. He's focused. Gotta respect that.
Jesus, are you really sure about this dog? I mean, you don't know anything about him or his behavior.
Yeah, it was my fault. Anyway, we're gonna go to the dog park tomorrow and make some new friends because Cool Dog has a lot of energy he needs to get out.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Probably just need some time to adjust. Oh, great. They have champagne here. I could use a drink. Mimosas?
Yeah, we can toast to Cool Dog and my 1-week anniversary. It's tomorrow.
Isn't that right? I know.
Yeah, sure. Oh, hey, what happened now?
What, this? Minor miscommunication?
No way. What happened?
Well, Cool Dog and I went to the park and he got in a fight with another dog, so I had to get in there. I mean, we got each other's backs, you know?
Well, that's it, Erin. You need to get rid of this dog.
See, this is exactly what I'm talking about. Everyone thinks he's all mean and crazy, but he's just misunderstood, and I feel that. I mean, I didn't introduce the dogs properly. What do you expect if you don't introduce the dogs properly? They have to be introduced properly.
What do you need, a goddamn debutante ball? Shit! Although I do love a good party.
Not as bad as it looks. I mean, the orthopedic guy said I'll be able to use my hand again.
Yeah, when is that?
Sometime in the future, after therapy and reconstructive surgery to reattach all this. Listen, he was defending me against another dog. We have a real connection.
More like a death wish.
Hey, screw you, man. You don't know him like I do. I mean, we watch movies together and cuddle and eat popcorn. He loves me. You're just jealous because you don't have anything like that in your life.
Oh, all right. That's it. I'm exiting this conversation immediately. You call me when you get rid of that dog.
Fat chance.
Hey, Erin. Yeah, I'm sorry I was such a jerk to you last week. Wait, what was that? No, where are you? Why can't I barely understand you? What? You have a face mask on? Shit! I'm coming over. Erin. Erin.
What?
Erin.
I'm in here.
Hey, doll.
Don't look at me.
How you holding up?
It's not his fault. He doesn't like purple or corduroy. I just have to figure out what his triggers are.
Where is he?
Leave him alone. You don't understand how lucky Cool Dog and I are to have each other. No one's gonna take that away from me. Not over my dead body!